Hey, wanna see a cool video? Then you've come to the wrong place. I bought the weirdest items I could find on the internet, and I'm gonna show it all to you. This is gonna be epic. So first, item. So the first Hey, wanna see a cool video? Then you've come to the
Six, seven. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
What happens if you drop the soap? Bro, that myth is fake, bro. You won't get your cheeks clapped. Then let's test that myth. Wait, chill. Well, I guess you're right. Booga? Yo, Todd, bro, you would not believe what I just saw.
What? Someone tried to escape?
Bro, Booga got his cheeks clapped.
What?
Yeah, he dropped the soap, and then a second later, bro, I just hear someone getting their cheeks pounded.
Nah, I thought that's gotta be a myth.
I thought so too, but we should get to the bottom of this.
Hell no!